name is Juarez. I go to CrossFit Vertigo, and I'm 12 years old. I have 5, 2 10s, 2 10s, and a 5. A 35-pound bar equals 85.
Okay, tell me when you're ready.
We'll do a 10-second countdown time. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Good job, come on.
14, 20 deep. 15. 16. 17.
Right side.
There you go. 18.
Come on, Ty.
19.
You got a minute, Ty. Come on.
Push through, baby.
20.
Come on.
Good enough. You have to. 21.
You're nice and steady.
22.
Get that pace.
23.
Come on, baby.
24.
There you go. Come on.
25.
Not at this 5.
There you go.
27.
Come on.
30 seconds, Ty. Come on.
Stay tight in the midsection. 28.
Get lower.
Come on, baby.
30.
Lock it out.
There's 30.
20 seconds. Come on.
Come on, Ty.
Heel, heel.
31.
There you go.
That's it.
Lift up, baby. Breathe.
10 seconds.
33.
Come on.
10 seconds. Come on.
Get it. There you go. One more, baby.
One
Come
more.
on.
One more.
Come on. Go get it. Go get
There
it.
you go. One more.
Time.
35.
35.
Nice job.